See the wood gas?
This is what we do on a Friday
See the fire coming out of the holes now all around it?
Drinking a few brew. Got my youngest one, Jordan, and Darren, Sharon, and Starpuss, and they're having a campfire in my garage.
Yeah, get the marshmallows up, boys. Where's those hot dogs you were talking about? I got the beer.
Go get your sticks, boys. Time for weenie roast.
Got lots of sticks right there, see?
Or marshmallow roast. There you go. That's a marshmallow roast.
Nice little sucker.
This little camp stove will not burn my floor. Don't worry, people. It's 100% safe.
Oh, I can't guarantee it's not going to burn your floor.
Might smoke us out a bit though.
But do you see the fire coming out of the holes now all around it?
Yeah.
That's the wood gas.
So, what is that called again?
Silver Fire Scout or
Silver Fox or
Silver Fire?
Silver Fire?
Yeah. One might get
Pretty
big.
cool unit.
What?
Is that like silverfire.com or something?
Yeah.
Nice.
There you go.
There's a plug for you, Silverfire.
But do you see how it's burning all the smoke?
Yeah.
It's being burnt around those external holes. You see that, Jared?
Smokeless fire.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So really the fire, any smoke is getting rechambered in through the bottom, through the inner sides, and then the air is coming out and reburnt, which you normally lose that. Like normally this fire would just be out by now.
I think we should buy that trike that you're pointing out, and we should make it into a gasifier and drive it down the back line.
With gas-fired ETC.
What do you think? We should do that.
I think that's a little too redneck for my blood.
Come on,
I already
man.
built one once in school.
Are you gonna at least make us a cup of coffee with that thing or what?
Yeah, I could.
Nice.
First crackle of the night.
Smells like we're out in the bush.
How do you tell we all miss the country, eh?
Oh yeah, I'm heading there tomorrow.
Yeah.
Daughter and I are going up to the house.
I love the smell of wood smoke, even in my garage.
What smoke? Look up. The only smoke in here is from your cigarettes,
Oh,
Dad.
whatever, I can still smell the wood fire.
Yeah, that's why it's so good.
Yeah. Still smells like camping, even though we're camping out in my man cave. Yeah, right inside, door closed. TV's on.
Yeah, Curtis is gonna come out and help me chop up like a cord of wood at the house there.
Only a cord, man. That's not even worth my time. I at least have to make it 5 or 6 a day worth.
See how far we get.
Cord of wood.
I think that wood thing we built was only
That's a one.
Yeah, but in
One-
Darren's case, it's 1 log, 2 beer, 1 log, 2 beer, 1 log, 2 beer, and then you only get a cord by the time you drunk.
hey, that's what you got helpers for.
Good point.
Isn't that right?
You got that right.
Gotta buy
Well, if anything more exciting happens, like they start actually cooking something on this thing, I'll continue the video.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause it right now.
We're gonna leave it as is for now. So there you go.
And you're too lazy to get off. He just grabs his camera.
I'm on a little heat, water boiling.
Mr. Noodles going.
So Starpuss decided to do he wants to clean out his pot, so he's gonna boil some water. We're gonna see how long it takes.
Yeah. Right now, I take this off. There's not much for fire underneath. Just pretty much coals. Yeah, I could boost it up with some more flame. Cheater stick.
Well, you're gonna make some chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
Yeah, so you didn't stir your
Sorry, turn the
water.
bubble. Whew. Whew. Water's already hot. Touch that.
It's only been a minute and a half. Can't be hot yet.
Oh yeah. It's not burning hot, but I mean it's hot.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. Getting there.
Tell me when it boils. I want to see because that timing is so hard. A minute, 26
I only
seconds.
filled the pot up halfway. You know the fire's coming up by your fingers. So.
Yeah, that's okay. Burnt my knuckles.
That's cheating, adding extra wood. You're meant to do it on the
See
coals,
the
of
whole
course.
thing goes first in the flame.
No, all it's doing is blackening the pot. So
That's all it does. You don't get more heat. The tip of the flame is the hottest.
I know that, but I wanted a campfire. Remember?
Yeah, it sends my friggin'.
You'll see black soot coming off now.
Sends the hair on my knuckles there. Anyways.
It's starting to boil.
There you go, 2 minutes and 3 seconds.
It's bubbles are starting
There's
to
some
bounce.
bubbles in there.
Yeah, it's got a ways to go then.
Oh yeah, it does.
So tell me when you got max boiling.
When it makes a mess of your floor, you know.
I only filled up the pot halfway, so
It's boiling, it should still bubble over.
Put some chicken noodle soup in there.
I'd want to clean the pot first, man.
Yeah, fuck it.
See the black soot now? from
You
the
dog
pot?
will eat anything. Let's get her going.
Yeah, but you see the black soot from the pot because
Yeah.
it's blue in the pot. Natural blue.
You got 2 minutes and 40 seconds. How's it doing?
It's
Oh,
bubbling.
it's bubbling. We got a good shot of it
Just
bubbling.
everyone be quiet. You hear it?
What, are you gonna park?
Oh, you can hear it bubbling. Hey, Jordan, bring your cheech.
Fuck you.
Over here.
Look at that.
You realize all the swearing I gotta edit out, do you?
Up on the bed.
Yeah.
Was boiling good now?
Yeah, it's a boil, but it's not rolling boil because I don't have enough heat.
Hot enough for coffee.
Yeah.
There you go.
You could cook yourself a meal on 4 piles of wood this size.
Fuck her bubble, eh?
Yeah, it's bubbling hard now. Bubbling, it's full. Royal boil.
I'd say that's a boil there.
Stick your finger in there. Oh boy.
I just barely touched it. You know. I cooked hot dogs in it. That's what that one stain is. I had hot dogs. I put in the hot dogs, put it on, then poured water. I'm like, yeah, I should have put water first.
Yeah.
Had hot dogs in there and a few other little things. So far, that's about it.
Pork and beans or what?
Nah,
Huh?
just hot dog soup.
Hey, I'll be back.
Marshmallows.
I'm gonna go see if I can find them. I know Mom said she bought a bag.
In the cupboard left to the coffee cups.
Well, I was thinking I must have people
Yeah,
wired.
stoke up that fire a bit.
Oh, those skewers. I
Yeah.
got skewers, Curtis.
That's perfect.
That's kind of what they're meant for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had skewers, but let's see if I can use them up on something.
Get rid of all the sharp ends here.
Oh, hey, look at this. Even better. Perfect. Marshmallow sticks. Got actual marshmallow sticks.
Those are tiny.
Marshmallow sticker. Well,
That's
you got a
like
big
for
fire, don't worry
it's like
about
for a fondue. Yeah, little
Yeah, those are
fucker.
fondue sticks, Dad. No, it's only went out because I pushed all the ashes down. Hey, those mosquitoes aren't coming in. I think this is the first time we sat behind a
My
campfire in
chair,
10
yeah,
years.
look at where the-
Probably.
Dad, did you hear what
There
I
we
said?
go. We got flamage. There we go.
Here.
This is the first time Jordan sat behind a campfire in over 10 years, Dad.
Yeah, well,
It is.
Need a marshmallow.
Why, it's the fire department will come now, eh?
Yeah, you wish.
Your house is on fire!
All right.
We're going in for the kill. We're going in for the kill.
Oh, why are these so gooey?
I don't know.
You're in the house.
How old are these?
Pretty old.
Couple days. Everybody
Fighting
knows
like
the
a bunch of
marshmallows are
vultures for
Friday night
marshmallows.
in the man cave.
Well, how do you guys like this for a redneck frickin' day? Look at that say, hey, get your frickin' goober stick away from
Let's see if
me.
I can stick it in somebody's forehead. Oh, there is a good target.
Darren Sharon, my
They got-
brother Jordan, DRV Space Shaft True, my dad, and yeah, we're just playing around with my little survival stove and having a little bit of a fire. And for some reason, this marshmallow's melting. It's not burning.
Yeah, they're melted. They're burnt. They're not turning gold or brown. They're just burning.
Yeah.
You need to wait till it gets the coals to have a proper marshmallow.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Well,
Down the hatch.
first we got the door open.
Eat that
here.
sucker. Oh
And a little
boy.
bit of fresh air, even though it's a wood gasifier. Before, oh,
Not bad.
I guess I should have been watching that. It's a wood gasifier style stove, so wood gas and a little bit more efficient, but yeah, too lazy to go outside because yeah.
Fuck this wind.
Sweet. Anyways, YouTube, I'm gonna eat this puppy.